Unraveling the chia seed hype. 8 reasons to include them daily. 1. Omega-3 powerhouse. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health. 2. Fiber boost. High fiber content aids digestion and promotes gut health. 3. Protein punch. Contains complete protein, beneficial for muscle repair and growth. 4. Blood sugar control. Helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing risk of diabetes. 6. Antioxidant arsenal. Packed with antioxidants, combating oxidative stress and inflammation. 7. Bone support. High calcium content strengthens bones and teeth. 8. Weight management. Fiber and protein promote satiety, aiding in weight loss efforts.